At Preston Superstore, we know how important a great service center can be. That's why we go the extra mile to make sure you have a great visit. We offer convenient hours and a comfortable, relaxed atmosphere in our guest lounge. We have coffee, snacks, and free Wi-Fi while you wait. We know how busy our customers are, and we are happy to provide complimentary pickup and delivery service, as well as shuttles to get you back to work or home while we work on your vehicle. At Preston, we know how important an honest and trustworthy service center can be. Whether it's routine maintenance or a major repair, you can put your trust in our people and our state-of-the-art facilities. We take great steps to make sure our team is well-trained and certified to get the job done right the first time. Whether it's routine maintenance or an extensive repair, you can trust your service partners at Preston Superstore to show you what it means to be the nicest people serving the nicest guests.